Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Verifone model and firmware, because differences change procedure. Then remove power and the backup battery for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. Once done, inspect the power cable and connector for frays or debris, and make sure you have a charged spare battery, a small screwdriver, and the merchant ID or terminal ID ready. You'll need network details next: Wi-Fi name, password, or Ethernet cable, so pause only long enough to collect these items. You should switch to Ethernet for a reliable connection. Plug into a tested cable and port to avoid intermittent drops. Once connected, perform a forced restart, and if the terminal still boots incorrectly, reapply the correct firmware image via USB, SD, or secure remote provisioning, following the model's recovery method. Make sure the terminal has a valid IP, correct gateway and DNS, and that TLS certificates match the payment processor requirements. This prevents communication failures and declined transactions. You finish by running a low-value test transaction to confirm host connectivity and clear any cached errors. Watch for authorization and receipt printing. Once successful, recalibrate the touch screen and PIN pad, check printer alignment and paper sensor, and verify transaction reconciliation totals. If problems persist, gather logs and screenshots, write down exact error codes and firmware versions, and contact your payment processor or Verifone support for escalation. This saves time and speeds a remote fix or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.